Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So today we are trying out a recipe using baby corn because it's in season. I have a recipe for a kadai baby corn which whenever I've made I've got compliments for. So I thought I'll share that recipe with you today. The ingredients list is available in the description box below. Please do check it out. Let's have a look at the ingredients required for the dish. I've got some tomatoes in here along with some baby corn. In here I've got garam masala powder, kasuri methi, amchur or dry mango powder, turmeric and salt. I've got some chopped onions and some capsicum which are sliced lengthwise, crushed garlic and crushed ginger. In here I've got some coriander and red chili crushed. I've got some fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, and for garnish I've got ginger julienne and coriander leaves. So for both of these ingredients I've done a little bit of pre-processing. So what I've done with these corn and tomato is to boil them for 2 to 3 minutes. So this is how I did it. So I've got 4 cups of water boiling in this vessel, into which I've added salt as well as juice of half of a lemon. Now I've added the baby corn as well as the tomatoes into this water, and we'll boil this for 2 to 3 minutes. For the coriander red chili powder, what I did was, so on a tawa, I've placed the red chilies and the coriander and I'm roasting them slightly, after which we'll powder this into a coarse powder. So this is a roasted coriander and red chili which I've crushed coarsely in the grinder. Apart from this, we'll also need some oil to make the dish. So let's start preparing the dish. To begin with, let's just slice the big baby corns lengthwise like this. If it's small, then you can just leave it the way it is, but if it's a thick one, then just slice it into 2 lengthwise. I've also removed the skin from the tomatoes and chopped them and kept them ready. I've placed the kadai on medium heat and poured some oil into it. We'll add the baby corns into this. And fry them until they are brown. So I've fried the baby corn until they have browned a little. Now let's add in the capsicum and cook it as well. So the corn and the capsicum is done. Now we'll remove this into a plate and keep it aside. In the same kadai, I've poured the rest of the oil. Now we'll start with the fenugreek or methi seeds, and we'll just let them brown a little. Once they're brown, add in the chopped onions. Let's fry the onions until they turn golden brown in color. The onions have started turning golden in color. Let's add in the crushed ginger and garlic. And we'll cook it for a minute or so. The ginger and the garlic has also cooked nicely. Now we'll add the crushed masala, that's coriander and red chili. Give it a nice mix. And also add in the chopped tomatoes. We'll now add in the other ingredients, which is salt, amchur or dry mango powder, kasuri methi, garam masala and turmeric powder. Now we'll mix everything together. Also add in the coriander leaves, leaving some for garnish. Mix everything together and we'll cook this until the oil separates. That's going to take 4 to 5 minutes, so let's allow it to cook till then. So the masala is cooked and the oil is separated. I've got half a cup of water in here, which I'm going to pour into this. Mix everything well. And let's bring this to a boil. So this has come to a boil. Now let's add in the stir-fried capsicum. Let this cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. So the capsicum is cooked for 3 to 4 minutes. Now let's add in the corn. Mix it well. Let's add the ginger julienne at this stage. Mix well. And we'll let this cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. The corn is cooked for another 2 to 3 minutes and I've switched off the flame. It's ready to serve. So the baby corn is ready. You can serve this with some roti. This can be an accompaniment to rice as well. It will taste very good with jeera rice or any pulao or something like that. It's pretty easy to make, so please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye bye.